SYTIRY Treadmill for Home, 3.25 HP folding treadmills with 10-inch HD TV movie touchscreen and 3D virtual sports scene, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth speaker, fitness exercise machine for walking, jogging, running. Multifunction mode and comfort training. The 2021 latest SYTIRY multifunction treadmill, equipped with massage head, sit-up frame, dumbbells. OMA Treadmill for Home 5925 CAI 6134 EAI with 3.0 HP 3.5 HP 15% auto incline 350 pounds capacity folding exercise treadmill for running. Easy assembly and 24/7 service. Assembly only requires 2 people and 3 steps. Our team works 24/7 offering lifetime service, listening to all customers, producing high quality and reliable treadmills. 3. Goplus 2-in-1 folding treadmill with dual display, 2.25 HP Superfit under desk electric pad treadmill, installation free, Bluetooth speaker, remote control, walking jogging machine for home/office use. Dual display screen Superfit treadmill. The touch screen on the armrest allows you to freely adjust the speed. When you run, there will be a colorful line flashing. Goplus compact folding treadmill for home, Superfit electric walking running machine, low noise, built-in 2 workout modes and 12 programs, with display. Low noise electric treadmill. Goplus 1 HP Superfit electric treadmill features with high-quality motor drive system, which guarantee the stable operation of the machine with 220 Hayabusa T3 boxing gloves for men and women. A revolutionized training glove. You need a glove that checks all of the boxes, from protection and comfort to durability and fit. T3 boxing gloves do just that, with a decade of sports science and research to back it up. This modern training glove offers world-renowned protection with patented technology of a new era.